I recently came across a product called PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner, and it's being marketed as a high-tech device that can remove pesticides, bacteria, and toxins from your fruits and vegetables in just 5 minutes using something called O-ion electrolysis. The ads make it sound like you can just drop this device in water and instantly purify your food. But here's the truth. PuriBreeze seems to be a scam. The claims are exaggerated and not backed by real evidence. There is no credible proof that small portable device like this can just eliminate pesticides or bacteria by sitting in water for a few minutes. That's simply not how food safety works. Before I continue, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and awareness purpose. So one of the problem is the fake science. Terms like O-ion microbubbles and deep cleaning technology sounds advanced, but there is no clear certification or real testing to support them. These are just buzzwords used to make the product look like powerful than it actually is. Then there's the proof they show. The cloudy water after use is used to convince people that toxins are being removed, but in reality, usually that's just dirt or residue already loosened by soaking, not pesticides magically disappearing. And the major issue is the product itself. When you look deeper, this is not unique invention, it is generic device sold under different name across multiple websites, and that's recurring scam style. Now here's the real shocker. The same device can be found on cheap China market for very low price, like around 10 to $15, but it is rebranded as PuriBreeze and sold as a high-end product for up to $70. And that's a huge markup scam. And it becomes very clear if a device like this could actually remove pesticides and bacteria effectively in minutes, it would be tested worldwide and would be a major breakthrough. These types of products are constantly rebranded and resold under different names, with many customers reporting low quality, no results, and disappointed. Some even complain about the refund issues and reporting low quality, no real results, and even different kinds of recurring subscription charge. PuriBreeze is not a real food purification solution. At best, it performs no better than rinsing or soaking your product. If you've seen this product or tried it yourself, share your experience in the comments so that others can stay informed. So like us and stay sharp because many high-tech kitchen gadgets online are just overhyped scam like PuriBreeze.